A lot of us have accepted the fact that we experiencing this 3D reality are trapped in some kind of dome, or there's a net around our known lands that prevent us from leaving and to a certain degree prevent many beings from entering. So how did we get stuck in here? So long story short, when this part of the planet was severed and lay in complete ruin and the people crazed, the Lyran Syrian Council and the Azurites decided to quarantine this part of the land to rehabilitate their project. So with the aid of the Pleiadians, they came down, created a shield separating the 3D, that wasn't called that at the time, but one portion of the planet project from the other portion of Terra, which was, for the most part, still intact. And it went this way for a long time. They would come in and do various things to help rehabilitate the DNA, rehabilitate the land. There were different groups that were brought in to serve as guides, to serve as muses, and to essentially provide their own genetic sequencing and assistance to helping fix the issue of the angelic humans, who really weren't that angelic anymore. But then came along a very specific problem, the Nuberians, or how we refer to them as the Anunnaki. And so this group came in with their own agenda and their own pretenses, but they saw an advantage. They saw a world in ruins. They saw beings that were lost, didn't know up from down, and they decided to exploit this for their gain. Once they were able to start presenting themselves as gods, or at the very least similar to the beings that angelic humans were very used to seeing, the Pleiadians, the Syrians, they just presented themselves as another one of those types of beings, and yet somehow convinced these folks too that there was a new world order, there was a new way they were going to go about life.